Hi, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you on the dyno stand, we got one of our 376 cubic inch LS3 550 horsepower crate engine. This thing came out absolutely gorgeous. Customer asked us to custom paint it a brilliant red and follow it up with the polished valve covers and the beautiful CVF serpentine system. This happens to be going into I believe a 76 Corvette, which should fit in there nicely. If you're interested in having something like this built for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take care of the dyno run.